morning.
Hello.
So we're just leaving the Freedom Camp at Clifton Bridge. It was nice and quiet there last night. There was only 3 cars altogether. So
Yeah, a huge space.
Loads of space. Not a lot around here, but it was nice to have free camping because the next week or so we're going to have to probably pay for DOC sites at least, which are quite expensive. Yeah, so today we're going to drive to Lake Manapuri and see a few of the Lord of the Rings sites by the river there, and then we're going to head to Tianu before we head into Milford Sound. So yeah, it'll just be a little video. Scenic lookout near to Lake Manapuri. There are some mountains just hiding behind the clouds here. We'll come down to Lake Manapuri. This is the gateway to Doubtful Sound cruises, and also this is all Fjordland National Park. So between here and like areas of Milford Sound, this is where they kind of filmed bits of Rivendell. We're at the start of the Kelpler track. We're not doing the Kelpler track. We've come to look at the river. Currently somewhere here there is a viewpoint for the Anduin River along the river. We're not quite sure. It's somewhere along here. There wasn't really any access points. So this is our river view. So we've pulled up just a bit further along, like back towards the main road to where the viewpoint setup was, because we found a little path. So we're gonna go see if we can find the viewpoint for the Anduin River.
Hey, so we're trying to find a specific spot for the river that we're currently walking along, which is was used as the river of Anduin. So the spots that are down there that we're looking for are, one is before the Fellowship. Oh, hello, Mr. Bird. So one was when the Fellowship, before they reached the Brownlands, and the other area that was kind of used in the film was between Mirkwood and Erenmeal. So it's just a river, but it's a very particularly pretty river. And we're just looking for a particular shot, which is kind of hard to do. But yeah, come have a look.
We found the viewpoint for the Anduin River. Filming for Lord of the Rings. Impressive mountains at the back there.
So this is the area that they use for filming, which is stunning. Like, it's really, really pretty. So as you can see, people have fashioned their own ways down to try and get down to the actual ledge down there, so you can try and recreate shots, but I don't need to do that far.
You wouldn't see the mountain.
No. So one thing you may have noticed about a lot of the filming locations are, like most films, it's just an area that they film in, and then any digital kind of additions or anything like practical obviously is no longer here. So a lot of the time you do have to use a good aspect of your imagination, and it does make finding them a little tricky. Like, to get here we have to go down a gravel road, park in a space that you're not supposed to really park in because there's car parking at the other end before the is it Keppel walk?
Keppel, yeah.
Yeah, Keppel, great walk. This is kind of on the way, but it does mean you can kind of find these little things, and they're just nice and pretty, with even taking away the aspect of the Lord of the Rings. But for any kind of, you know, Lord of the Rings super fan that's expecting instant recognizable moments, or even looking at things and kind of going like, this has to be there, sometimes it's not as easy as that. Or the location is, you know,
A mashup of three.
yeah, it's multiple locations to kind of create one, or that the location itself requires like a 4-day hike to get to, or a trained helicopter pilot to get you there. It's interesting, and it's been a fun little adventure to try and find them all, but it's not the expectation of like, I know exactly where I'm going, what you're doing, because even all the signs are like, these are the ones to follow online. A lot of the time it's like, when you get there, the road will be closed, and it's a private road, so can't do anything about it. You could try and contact the people who own it, but then it's, you know, you don't want to disrupt someone's general life just because you want to look at a viewpoint. You've got the viewpoint in 4K. If you really want to look at it, pause. So where we parked, there was another path that led down to the water, so we're going to try and follow it and see if we can actually get any better views, but it's a bit steep, so I'm going to put you away. The things we do for nerdism. You good? So after a steep decline, at least it wasn't wet, way up to the river. It is really pretty. It's very, very pretty. But yeah, take some pictures, take some shots, and then we have to climb back up. Even wildlife. And yes, that's a little house that he has made. There's a little kettle there. He's basically doing what we're doing, travelling with his house. Hey!
Hi!
So we're actually going to call this video here. We're going to have some lunch, and we thought it's a nice place to have it with that view.
Yeah.
But tomorrow / this evening we head further into Milford Sound and actually into the national park.
Yeah.
And we thought we'd show you that whole experience as a separate video. So excuse this being a slightly shorter random video. It's been a short random few days.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah, we'll see you in the next video from Milford Sound.